To the product manager lecture series. Now the series number 17, that lecture number 17. So far we have seen many situations or the cases the product manager is facing, may face at any for a particular product. So he is involved in each and every stages of a product line. He is responsible for executing this product line completely. He is he is holding many chance of situations to make the decisions. So in this product manager session, we are going to see how can estimate a particular thing. For a case study, we can see how many tennis balls would fit inside a bus. It's a calculation, it's a basic calculation. Maybe product may be varied based on your product line, but however, just we're taking the example of tennis balls. Tennis balls in a fit in a bus, inside a bus, but you can answer comfortably how many how many balls are how can we calculate how to pack this tennis ball. So roughly you can tell, just we can put some more balls or something, you can randomly you can pack, but we have to estimate the number of times it is we are packing. So it is coming under some inventory problem, and also inventory model, and also transportation models. So in this how we can make strategical approach. So each and everyone having different approaches, maybe right, or if there is a simple problem, everybody can have some approach and we can find the solution. If the problem is somewhat for a numerous number of products or numerous number of cases, we have to make a strategic approach on this. So at this point of view, we are going to have this approach. We can have this strategic approach for this calculation. The approach is volume estimation. That is, we have to calculate the volume of the tennis ball first. What is the volume? What is the size of the ball? Maybe if you're taking a pack, don't take a bus, just for taking a basket. Okay, inside that, how many balls we can put? As it's a tennis ball. If it is football, we can fill up only 2 or 3. If tennis ball, we can fill up more. If it is a table tennis ball, we can fill up more than this tennis ball. So we have to make the approximate volume of this tennis ball, and also the interior size space of that box or the bus. So it's a basic volume estimation. Then so we are assuming, or we are making considering, we know the tennis ball is spherical only. Just as a technical fellow, if it is spherical, we have to see the sizes. Okay, if it gear means what is the size of the gear, or some object means what is the shape of the object. Like the tennis ball is spherical and have standard diameter. So you all are uniform diameter with like we are considering. And then what is the average interior volume of the bus that we are going to just we are estimating, we are approximating. Bus is normal bus. What is the normal bus? What is the normal bus size? Then how we give it, that we are going to assume there. Then we are going to calculate. We are going to calculate this total bus volume, uh, by the single tennis ball, to estimate the maximum number of tennis ball that could fit inside. So volume divided by this total bus volume divided by this tennis ball, that we can calculate number of tennis ball we can have. Then here these the three things, even normal conventional mathematic knowledge is enough to calculate the three. Even mathematical student is he can carry out this one. But the last one, even that should be considered by the mathematical student as well. As a technical product manager should handle this fourth point. That is, consider factors such as packing efficiency, then empty spaces and irregularities in the bus interior to refine the estimation. So here we have to consider the factors. So just like that, we can't put the ball. So that should be packed properly. There should be the should not run. We how we are going to pack this, and also what are the empty spaces without the load that should be considered there, and also irregularities in the bus interior. Some spaces we can't put the balls, so that irregularities should be considered for should be considered because we have to omit this spaces for filling this product. So like that, we have to make some technical considerations or ethical logical considerations there, not only by calculation but the packing space. Then how can we efficiently we can pack it, okay, one by one, like that we can make the plan. So these are all the approach to calculate the tennis balls, total number of tennis balls we can pack, okay, inside a bus. That we can do in this by calculating the volume for the both ball and bus, and also assumptions of the products and bus interiors, then calculation between the volumes between the bus and the ball, and the adjustments what we are going to do, that we are going to consider here. Just you can take a different cases for packing. Also you can make this case study comfortably here. If you are having any considerations of effective implementation, just get it to the comment box. It is we will see by pleasure with the pleasure. Thank you.